Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Black Ops 6 dev error step by step. First, this method is for PC users. Make sure the game is fully closed before you start. Right-click the Start button, then click on Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, look for Display Adapters and click the small arrow to expand it. You will see your graphics card listed there. Right-click on your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Now select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows check for any updates. If Windows finds an update, let it install fully and wait until it finishes. Once done, close Device Manager. Now the next step is very important. Open your graphics card manufacturer's app. If you are using NVIDIA, open the NVIDIA app. If you are using AMD, open AMD Adrenalin. If you are using Intel, open Intel Graphics Command Center. Inside the app, go to the drivers section and check if your drivers are up to date. If there is an update available, download and install it. Make sure the installation completes without interruption. After that, restart your PC. This step helps apply all changes properly. Once your PC restarts, launch Black Ops 6 and check if the dev error is gone. In most cases, this fixes the problem completely. Now, if you are on PlayStation, this is very simple. From your home screen, find Black Ops 6 and go to its options. There, you will see an option called Restore Licenses. Select it and confirm Restore. Wait until the process finishes fully. Do not close anything during this step. Once it is done, restart your console and then open Black Ops 6 again. These steps usually fix the dev error on both PC and PlayStation. Thanks for watching.